In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your trading permissions for cryptocurrencies in a user-friendly platform. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to explore the cryptocurrency market, updating your permissions is a key step you can't miss, and I'll be guiding you through this process smoothly. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the user menu, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. It's represented by the head and shoulders icon, making it easy to spot. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to proceed further. Now, under Settings, you'll see a section called Trading. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Trading Permissions panel. Here, it's important to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the display, as it shows your current trading permissions. This is crucial because understanding what you're permitted to do now will help you navigate any adjustments you might want to make. Once you've had a look at your current permissions, you'll notice an option labeled Add/Edit under the Cryptocurrencies section. Click on this option to move ahead with modifying your access. At this stage, if applicable, you may be prompted to review the Paxos Customer Agreement. This document is essential as it outlines the terms and conditions you'll be agreeing to. Make sure to read through it carefully. Once you understand and agree with the content, you'll need to type your name in the box designated as Sign Here. This acts as your digital signature, signifying that you've read and understood the document. After which, click Continue to confirm your agreement and move forward. Next, you'll encounter legal documents and disclosures that are necessary to read and acknowledge. You'll see links to each document, and it's important to click through these links, reading each one with care. Although this might seem like a lot of reading, these documents will deepen your understanding of what's involved in trading cryptocurrencies and protect both you and the trading platform legally. After thoroughly reviewing each document, type your name again in the indicated Sign Here box. As before, follow by clicking Continue to proceed. A crucial point to remember is that the approval of your trading permissions might not be instantaneous. It's worth noting that the process might take up to 24 hours to be approved. This waiting period is standard, as it allows the system to verify your information accurately and ensure all legal protocols are adequately followed. And there you have it. You are now well on your way to updating your trading permissions and embarking on your cryptocurrency trading journey. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope